back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a e.l.f. makeup haul and tutorial. I got a bunch of e.l.f. cosmetics for Christmas from my mum and I want to try them out on camera. I've only tried 2 of the products, so I want to try all of them with you guys today. I apologise for looking like a terrible ghost. I've gotten so used to makeup that I fucking hate my face without it. So the products that I got from e.l.f. is the e.l.f. oil-free sunscreen foundation. I don't have the box because there is another name for it, and I got it in the colour porcelain because I'm a fucking pale bitch. I got the e.l.f. eyeliner. It looks really cool and I'm excited to use it. I got the e.l.f. concealer and highlighter stick. I have been using this. Could be better, but we'll just see how we go. I got the e.l.f. waterproof lengthening and volumizing mascara, and I was running out, so I needed to get myself a new one. I also got the eyeliner brush, so I'm going to use that, see if that helps putting eyeliner on. And last but not least, I got the gel and powder eyebrow kit. Let's get started. So first of all, we're going to put the foundation on. Usually I dab with my teeny tiny little makeup sponge. I also use this brush that I got online. It often works as well with putting the foundation on. So we're going to put a blob. I have been using this and it's pretty good foundation, so sorry if I look over there because I've got my mirror there, but we're gonna just I do really love the colour of this foundation. It matches my skin really well. I also really like this brush because it does tend to spread out the foundation really well and gives me a good coverage, which I really like for such a cheap brush. So you basically just put as much on and layer on as much as you want, depending on the coverage you're going for, and it goes on really well. I'm really happy with this foundation and the quality. I'm pretty happy with that coverage. I'd give that a fucking 8 out of 10. Put the bulk of it on with the brush, and then I get my little sponge and I dab it on the spots where I still have big fucking pimples that like to ruin my face. So I just finish out by blending out the foundation on those yucky spots that you can still see. I like how it doesn't fully cover my freckles either, but it does cover my face as a whole, which is really good. So this is an under eye concealer and highlighter. The thing that I'm also annoyed about is I've probably been using it for 3 weeks now and it's already run out. But we're gonna put this under my eyeballs. Overall, it's not a bad concealer. It does go well with the foundation to cover up my dark circles under my eyes, but yeah, just frustrated that it ran out so quick. I've got also the under eye highlight, so I'm just gonna dab. It just says to dab. Yeah. This much. Okay. So once I've done putting it under my eyes, I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Oh my god, that's the word. I kept calling it makeup sponge. I mean, yeah, it does brighten up my fucking under eyes. Wow. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're being lit. We're being lit up, guys. So I'm gonna wear this makeup to work, guys. So we've done the foundation, the under eye concealer. We're gonna go in with the eyebrows. There it is. So it comes with a gel and a tiny little pen. So I don't like this as much as what I usually use for my brows, but it does keep my eyebrows in place with the gel. I just don't really I can't get a good shape with them. Maybe it's the brush I'm using, I'm not sure. I think possibly if I use a harder, stiffer bristle brush, or a liner brush, it would probably work a bit better. And then after that you just go in with the powder. I ended up just going in and doing them how I normally do them every day. So we've done foundation, eyebrows, highlights. Guys, can I just say something? I don't recommend this at all. Maybe I need a better brush, but I've tried both the packet brush and this brush and it's just not. It's just not. I'm not buying that ever again. That just sucks. I was so excited because there's so many ones out there on the market that actually do a good job, and I'm so disappointed. Guys, it looks like I've got a black eye. Okay guys, so I've been left with a black eye because I can't fucking get all the makeup off. but we're just gonna go with it. So the last product that I'm going to be using for you guys is the e.l.f. Waterproof Lengthening and Volumizing Waterproof Mascara. So I'm just curling them lashes. I'm going to do this off camera because that was terrible. So that is the mascara done, guys. Like, it doesn't look too bad. It's kind of clumped my eyelashes together. I'm going to have to do my eyebrows again. It takes a lot longer for like the mascara to dry as well, so I can't blink for like 5 minutes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Probably my favorite would be the mascara. I actually love this brush too, don't know what I'm going to use it for, but this would have to be my favorite product because it actually works. I do love the highlighter and concealer. It didn't last as long as I expected it to. The mascara is not too bad. You need to kind of do it slowly and not quick because otherwise it does clump. This as well, I do like it. I think I need to use a different brush and probably shape my eyebrows a little bit better before I use it. So out of everything I bought, like, I'm not buying this again. I don't recommend it. I don't know, maybe, look, I've tried 3 different brushes now. The one it came with, one that I already had, but this one's actually an eyebrow brush from e.l.f. and it still didn't work. So out of everything I bought, foundation would be the favorite, so I highly recommend that. It's got sunscreen in it as well. Next would be the concealer and the highlighter, but it just doesn't last as long. And I do like the mascara and the eyebrow kit. But they could be better. Thank you guys for watching. I am sweating right now. So I hope you enjoyed it. And please leave me some comments, other vegan and non-animal tested makeup brands for me down below. I have found a lot. e.l.f. has been the cheapest. I think I just need to look into a little bit high-end products that actually work as well. I'd love to try their eyeshadow palettes as well. I've heard they're really good. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!